Senator, local government chairman, your Royal Highnesses and Majesties, ladies and gentlemen. Sir, we are privileged to have your presence here today. We are here to witness the groundbreaking ceremony on the buildings of 2,000 affordable housing units here in the Ikewrre local government area. In total, 1,000 hectares of land will be developed. The first phase is here opposite OPM, the size of which is approximately 100 hectares. This project will create a thriving and inclusive communities for all to live in River State. Indeed, we are actually building a brighter future for our River State. Affordable homes are important to the economic viability of our communities and attract and retain employees and employers in the community. It is actually worth mentioning here that we have several other projects that are on the move. They are the Garden City Golf Estate, Spare Parts and Automobile Mechanic Workshop Center, Greater Petunia City. To get to where we are now actually require a lot of hard work. And I personally have to thank all those who contributed to where we are. Once again, you are welcome, Your Excellency. Thank you.
Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, to present his brief remarks, may we please invite the MD and Chief Executive Officer, TAF Africa Global, Mustafa Njie.
Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of River State, Sir Samilai Fubara, the Deputy Governor, Mrs. Ngozi Odu, the leadership and members of River State House of Assembly, the leadership and members of River State Judiciary, distinguished commissioners and local government chairmen, cabinet members, the administrator of Greater Port Harcourt City Development Authority, traditional and religious leaders here present, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we gather here for a momentous occasion, the groundbreaking ceremony of 20,000 affordable housing project in River State. As His Excellency Sir Samilai Fubara has always reiterated, this project stands as one of his signature projects. As we commence this project, it is crucial to highlight the tremendous benefits it will bring to the people of River State. Provision of adequate and affordable housing is a fundamental necessity, and this project will help fulfill the dreams of many families, creating a sense of security and pride in their own homes. Furthermore, this project will also serve as an engine of economic growth and employment opportunities, especially for the youth, by generating jobs in construction, architecture, engineering, and various other sectors. We are ensuring that young people have the chance to build a successful future right here in River State. It is important to note that our projects are also designed and executed to deliver on the Sustainable Development Goals, that's the SDGs, of the United Nations, such as ensuring gender equality in hiring contractors and other professionals, empowering members of the community, and promotion of green areas, as well as the benefits well as the benefits mentioned above, the state will also benefit from an array of impactful corporate social responsibilities activities, particularly youth, especially able people and women. Your Excellency, you'll be glad to know that when we built the Gulf Estate, we started about 12 years ago in Transamadi. Today, within our African structure, we have people who had no training in construction at the time that are now serving in other countries. Some community contractors have now moved to the Gambia, to Sierra Leone, because of projects like such. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to His Excellency Sasamilai Fubara for his unwavering confidence in Tough Africa Global and Price-Wise House Nigeria, as we are on a mission to provide 1 million affordable homes in Africa over the next 20 years. This partnership and your vision, Your Excellency, have paved the way for the realization of this monumental project. We are honored to collaborate with your government, working hand in hand to make this dream a reality. It is worth mentioning that this project stands as the largest affordable housing initiative ever undertaken in the history of Nigeria under a public-private partnership. Your Excellency, your government has entrusted us with this responsibility. It is a testament to the trust bestowed upon us. We reassure you, Your Excellency, of our capacity to deliver this project without any financial contribution from the River State government. In conclusion, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to you, Your Excellency, to all the parties involved, the government, our dedicated team at Tough Africa Global, and the entire community. Your support and contributions will be instrumental in the success of this project. Together, we are creating a brighter future for the good people of River State and setting a groundbreaking example for affordable housing projects in Nigeria and across the African continent. Thank you, and let us embark on this remarkable journey towards providing shelter and opportunity for all. God bless you all. God bless River State. God bless Nigeria. Thank you.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, to give his address and thereafter flag off the construction of 20,000 housing units, may I respectfully invite the Governor of River State, His Excellency Sir Simnalai Fubara, Grand 7-Star of River State.
Jesus, yeah. Jesus, yeah.
Your Excellency, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of our dear state, the Speaker of the River State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Edison here, by the special grace of God, in my words, for today, you are the speaker. Other members of the State House of Assembly that are here, the Secretary to the state government, and the remaining executive members that are here with us. The chairman of River State PDP Elders Forum, and other members that are here. Chairman of the River State Council of Traditional Rulers, and other traditional rulers that are here too. Chairman of Ikewrre local government area, ably represented by the vice or deputy chairman, other local government chairmen that are here, respected elders of our dear state, distinguished gentlemen and ladies, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I'm really happy to be part of this history. The history today is not history of rich people. It's history of the low-income earners. What is the purpose of government? The purpose of government is to provide secure life, provide the basic amenities for its people. And today, we are doing it without spending money. It means it's a government that has a direction. It means it's a government that can talk to people and people will understand. Today, we are starting a journey to give our people hope. It is important we say it, to give our people hope. We didn't make any mistake in christening our budget. Renew hope, continuity, and consolidation. Because, first of all, before we continue, we need to give our people hope. And today, I believe that everybody in our dear state have seen that light. How did we come about this magic? We opened our doors for negotiation. We opened our doors for free opportunities, knowing fully well that government cannot do it alone. We had to invite people that are ready to invest in our state. I make bold to say it, River State is an heaven for investment. What we are doing today is to let the world know, not what you hear in the radio or what you see on your screen, the television. River State is not safe, there is crisis. River State is safe and secure for anybody, anywhere to come and invest. Your investment is safe in our hands. I want to thank the MD of TAP Global Africa, who didn't have any fear Even in the face of what we are navigating, he didn't shake. When I called him, I hope this our arrangement, we are still going on with it. He said, no, I shouldn't be worried that he's coming to continue with the arrangement. So I'm happy that he has that confidence in this government. For our people, I want to assure you, our governance has nothing to do with fighting anybody. Our governance is to take care and defend our people. I can assure you here that this is the beginning of our service to the people of Rivers State. It is not service to big men like me. It is service to the people, those poor people, those low-income earners. That is the people we want to stand with, and we are standing with them from today. I want to also say it here. Let it also be my own commitment. This facility, once it commences and gets to the stage of allotment, it will go to those rightful people. And not one big man to allocate to his own family. It will be transparent so that the needed people will access it and benefit from it. So let me thank every one of you that have come today to be part of this history. It is important to be part of history, and moreover, positive history. The history we are making today is history of assurance that we stand with our people, we will continue to protect our people, we will continue to provide for our people. Let me, on this note, invite our leaders, the MD of TAP Global Africa, for the groundbreaking flag off, so that our people will know that we are serious. You know, I don't believe in only coming to do this occasion. I want to assure you that we are going to come to commission the first phase of it in the next couple of months, to show our commitment and to show our seriousness to this project. Let me thank every one of you, more especially the good people of Rivers State, as shown by this, one of my friends used to say, Sansan people. I assure you, we will continue to protect your interests and do what is right before man and God for the interests of our dear state. Thank you, and may God bless every one of you.
Nobody worry, nobody worry, nobody. 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 Ay, 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 ay.
Open that place.
Yes, come out to
Focus on it. We are talking to confirm man. Our own not for yo. Now, fire now.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.